This tire is losing air, and I'm going to show you how to fix it without pulling off the tire while this vehicle just sits in the driveway. Follow along if you want to see how this is done. I have a kit here that includes almost everything I need to plug the hole in the tire. A drill. This is a bottle of soapy water. Extra rubber cement. Sometimes that's included with this kit. And within the kit, I have this tool. This inserts this rope plug. It has some adhesive already applied to it. We're going to apply some more. And this tool to rough up that hole that is leaking before applying the plug. Spraying the tire with soapy water, we can locate the puncture. And here you can see that bubbles are forming on this soapy water. I'll spray it some more to confirm. Yep, that's repeatable. I don't see any nails, so there's nothing to pull out. Some people will not recommend using a drill. I'm going to, so I've chosen a drill bit that's approximately the same diameter as this tool. I want to be fully ready to insert this plug, so I'm going to coat it now with some rubber cement. All right, here we go. Let's begin drilling. You can use this tool to shove it in that hole. You want to roughen up that surface a bit so the adhesive really grabs hold. All right, we're leaking air. Insert your patch rope material. It's hard to get in there. Sometimes I'll use a hammer to really punch it in. All right, so I'm gonna give this a little bit of a twist and then pull out this tool, leaving the rope patch in there. There we go. Now use some cutters or a razor blade and cut off the excess material here. I got a bit of a bump, but that'll wear down over time. And let's spray with some soapy water to confirm the leak is gone. No more bubbles. Cool, so that was a quick and easy fix. I'll be back on the road here shortly. This kit and some of these materials can be found in the description in the link below. Purchase those from Amazon. And I hope this helps you with your project.